Drowsy driving is a major problem on our nation's roads. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, drowsy driving was responsible for 72,000 crashes and 800 deaths in 2013. And those are just the reported cases. Many experts believe that drowsy driving is actually much more common than we realize. Sleep is critical for our health and well-being, but it's also essential for safe driving. When we're tired, our reaction time slows, our judgment is impaired, and we're more likely to make mistakes. That's why it's so important to get enough sleep before getting behind the wheel. But it's not just lack of sleep that can lead to drowsy driving. Certain medications can make us sleepy, and some medical conditions can cause fatigue. Emotional stress can also play a role. For more driver education tips, study guides, and permit exam information, subscribe and click the links below.